Hey, we got the DryGuy boot dryer. I've had this for a few years now and I've loved it. I work in a cold and wet environment and my boots are always getting wet. So it's very nice and convenient to throw my boots on after a long day of work. On the front here, as you can see, there is a heat option if you want to warm your boots up or if they're extra wet. I love that this thing comes with a timer knob. You can set it how long you want it, up to 180 minutes. That's an awesome feature. So the tall extensions here are for like bigger, oversized boots. This will dry 2 sets of shoes or boots. All right, so I got it plugged in. We're gonna fire it up. So we'll turn it on. Right now I have the heat off, but the air just blows right through these slots. You just pop your boots on. As you can see, my boots are pretty beat up. I use them quite a bit. You can put shoes on them as well. There's a heat option. These will warm them up if you want to just have warm boots. It is a great feeling. Or if they're extra wet, it'll help dry them out a little bit better. I also like it doesn't just dry boots. You can throw gloves on these. You can throw socks on these. It'll dry it out.